Put a sock on an empty bottle. You'll soon understand why this trick is going viral. Start by preparing a bowl and filling it with very warm water. Place your socks in the bowl and leave them for a few minutes to soak thoroughly. Meanwhile, get your favorite laundry detergent ready. Don't add it to the water, just keep it nearby. Take an empty plastic bottle. Make sure it's not too big. Slide one of the wet socks over the bottle. Because the fabric is stretched and damp, it'll go on easily, even if the sock is tight. Hold the bottle with the sock in one hand and pour a bit of detergent over the fabric with the other. Then take a soft brush and gently start scrubbing the surface of the sock. You'll quickly notice the difference. This method effectively removes not only general dirt, but also stubborn stains, especially in high-wear areas. No washing machine can clean the fibers this precisely. This simple manual trick really works. It turns out a basic bottle can replace the old-fashioned washboard our grandmothers used. Finally, rinse the socks well in clean water. They'll look as good as new.